So I have decided to try and beat my time on these guys.
Dad, Waff hated me.
Did he?
Yeah.
That wasn't nice, was it? You go back into the living room now, please. And close the door and don't come back. Yeah, so I'm going to redo these chips. I did 2 minutes and 53 seconds last time, and I think I can do better than that. But my tolerance is just non-existent at the moment, so I might not even finish them, I don't know. We will see. Anyway, let's get into it. Rules: open the box on camera. As you can see, the packet is intact. These, I had terrible cramps off these. They were so bad. See, empty packet. Timer. Oh gosh, the smell. I'm quite nervous actually. I'm bordering on scared because it's going to burn my mouth and my guts, and it burnt for a long time. So, right, as fast as you can, and they're really dry as well. And so dry. Gosh. Mmm. Mm. Well, so that was 2 minutes 39. Pardon me. God, they're so dry. Burns. Oh my god. Well, I can't speak. Tolerance wasn't too bad. Right, I'm going to go and eat something now because they're going to be painful all the way through. Thank you very much for watching. I'll beat my time anyway. I'll be back with some more videos soon. Thank you everybody for sticking with me. See you on the next one. Bye.